Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Nicole Grisano and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. Officials with the FDA have announced that they would implement 2 steps to increase the competition of prescription drugs and allow for easier entry of generic drugs, according to a report in the American Journal of Pharmacy Benefits. To facilitate the development of generic drugs, the FDA has posted the list of drugs with no abbreviated new drug application. The agency plans to expedite generics of branded drugs on the list to ensure that the drugs are brought to the market as quickly as possible. The FDA will also change its policy on how it reviews generic drug applications. Under the new rule, applications will be expedited until there are 3 approved generics from a drug. They opted for 3 generics after data indicated that this is the number of generics that leads to patient savings. The FDA plans to seek additional ways to improve access to lower-cost generic drugs to reduce out-of-pocket costs for patients. The CDC recently released its 40th annual report on the overall health and well-being of the United States for 2016, according to a report in Pharmacy Times. This CDC report shows long-term trends of healthcare in America over the past 40 years. The extensive research addresses a variety of health issues, including smoking, birth rates, mortality rates, and insurance coverage among U.S. citizens. Between 1975 and 2015, life expectancy increased for adult males and females, while infant mortality decreased 63%. Advancements in technology and science play an important factor in the expansion of healthcare to cure diseases. However, heart disease and cancer are the 2 main reasons for death in the United States, according to the report. Officials with the FDA have accepted for review the Biologics License Application, BLA, for CT-P10, a proposed biosimilar for rituximab, Rituxan, according to a report on Specialty Pharmacy Times. CT-P10 is a monoclonal antibody designed to target CD20 proteins located on the surface of most B cells. It is a biosimilar to rituximab, which is indicated to treat rheumatoid arthritis, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, granulomatosis with polyangiitis, and microscopic polyangiitis. The BLA for CT-P10 has been accepted for filing by the FDA for standard review. Regulatory action is expected during the first quarter of 2018. Pharmacists may receive more questions about the varicella vaccine, and the CDC recently posted an informational video on this topic on their YouTube page. According to the video, before the chickenpox vaccine was available, about 50 children died and more than 7,000 children were hospitalized each year in the United States. People with questions about the chickenpox vaccine may visit the CDC's website. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Nicole Grisano at the Pharmacy Times News Network.